First of all, sorry for not drop videos as consistently as my promise. You see me? I not even want to say sorry because yo, I don't even know. But here what going on. I have this video I'm do from like 19 how long. I'm saying 19 how long, I mean like well, probably 2018, 2019. And my final decide say I'm gonna drop it. You see me? I just edited today. I show this right now. But as the intro, so I got add it to it and want to check out that video. This is Kingston City, not in the day but in the night. You see me? So we basically touch out and try to visit as much place as we could. You don't know, Kingston is not really the safest place, so we'd have to be very cautious because at night and we never have no security or nothing like that. We touch out with a few females and this is what happened. Check it out and tell me what you think. So that was actually like a few years ago, so the hope you not judge it too hard. You see me? Me just decide say yo, me have it put on and it never made no sense to go out and shoot it if it was going to be wasted. So I decided I was gonna chop it. So yeah, thank you guys for checking out my channel. Remember to subscribe. Oh my god, I'm tired of telling you, like subscribe, sub. Say it after me. Sub. Yeah. Just click the button down there, so click like. I'm not even gonna tell you to share it. Obviously, duh. And just keep on doing what you're supposed to do. You see me? I'm gonna try drop more content. But in a new environment, I'm not ready for telling about it yet. But just go and stay tuned. Once you subscribe, you're gonna get the notification if you click the bell, I think, or something like that. But yeah, so just stay tuned. I'm gonna show you more of what going on in my life. I try to get more friendly with the camera. So yeah, thanks for making it Bussweh.